My mom started falling asleep with the TV on right after the last of us moved out of the house. At first, I thought it was just a bad habit, background noise, just something to help her drift off. But then, one weekend, I stayed over at her place. It was almost 2 in the morning. I walked into the kitchen to grab a glass of water and noticed the blue glow spilling out of the living room. The TV was still blaring. Mom was fast asleep on the couch, her arms tightly wrapped around herself, looking so frail, as if she were freezing. I quietly walked over to grab the remote and mute the volume. But as I reached for it, leave it on. It makes it feel like someone's actually home. In that exact moment, my heart absolutely shattered. My mom wasn't afraid of the dark. She was terrified of the silence, the heavy, suffocating silence of a house that used to be full of light. Plates rattled in the kitchen. Kids laughed. Someone was always hunting for missing socks. Someone was begging for snacks. And a voice was constantly shouting from down the hall, "Hey, Mom!" And now, all that was left was the television. Foreign voices, other people's stories. Just cheap static noise to cover up the crushing weight of loneliness. While I was out there living my own life, grinding at work, constantly rushing and pushing calls off until tomorrow, she was learning how to fall asleep to the voices of strangers because the voices of her own children were gone. I didn't sleep a wink that night. I just sat there, looking at her hands, the exact same hands that used to tuck me in when I was scared of the dark. The hands that made me dinner no matter how exhausted she was. The hands that could always find me in the dark and make everything okay. And it hit me. Aging parents don't always need your money or your grand gestures. Sometimes they just desperately need a presence. Because the saddest part of life is when a mother stops asking for your attention, purely because she's terrified of becoming a burden. So instead, she learns to fall asleep to a television screen, doing anything she can just to drown out the echo of an empty house she once spent her whole life filling with love.